A member of Real Fathers for Justice from Brighton has told South East Today why he ran onto Wimbledon centre court and tried to play tennis alongside Roger Federer. Simon Wright was one of two Fathers' Rights campaigners who queued for 14 hours for their centre court tickets before disrupting the match and attempting to play the game. Both wore T-shirts with a version of the Wimbledon logo with "Family Law, It's a Racket" emblazoned across it. Here's our news correspondent Paul Seagert.
Simon Wright queued through the night for 14 hours for his ticket to Wimbledon's centre court. He didn't want to watch a match, he wanted to make a point.
We obviously made it well aware of who we were, and we were from Real Fathers for Justice, and we didn't want to stand there too long or disrupt too much, so we just hit a ball across the net towards the royal box and just to highlight the plight of families that are torn apart by the family court system.
It's not the first time Fathers' Rights campaigners have hit the headlines. From getting into Buckingham Palace dressed as Batman or climbing up a London crane in a Superman outfit, they know how to get publicity.
I think that their methods are pretty sensationalist and attention-seeking. I don't necessarily think that they're appropriate, but they do serve their point, which is to keep this issue in the public domain and also in the public arena for debate.
You are breaking the law. Do you think it's perhaps irresponsible? Are you doing your campaign more harm than good by stunts like this?
If people would sit down to us, put the cards on the table and talk, then we'd be more than happy. There are some very intelligent and articulate members within the group that would be able to sort of reach some agreements, and we'd be able to move forward for the sake of children that are losing contact with their parents. But unfortunately, that's not an option. Nobody's gave us that option so far.
Both Simon Wright and his fellow campaigner Alan Jamieson have been questioned by police and are due to appear in court on Saturday. In the meantime, Simon's been banned from setting foot on any tennis court.
Paul Seeger with that report, and he joins us now live from Brighton. What have the Wimbledon authorities had to say about all this, Paul?
Well, Jeff, not only did Simon Wright manage to get onto centre court, he also managed to smuggle tennis rackets and tennis balls past security. It could have been objects far more dangerous, of course. Now, security at Wimbledon is handled by a group called G4. They declined to be interviewed tonight, but they did issue a statement which said that the individuals concerned both had valid tickets to enter the court and went through the standard screening and security checks before they were cleared to enter. So perhaps more questions than answers with that. They declined to disclose whether they'd up security today at Wimbledon.
Paul, thank you very much indeed.